I've just seen this extraordinary piece of footage of a group of birds flying into the ground in Chihuahua in Mexico. A large flock of birds, probably on migration, it appears have, instead of flying along in a flock horizontally, have for whatever reason decided to fly straight down, and many of the birds have crashed into the ground. Sadly, hundreds of birds appear to have been killed in this incident. And it seems to me it might be one of those situations where a large group of birds following a leading bird, these sorts of flocks that we see with big groups of synchronous flying, for whatever reason have got confused either by some sort of climatic effect or perhaps a bird of prey. And the flock, instead of flying along horizontally, has flown directly down to the ground and hitting power lines and buildings and roadways. I just give you a little warning. Some people might find it a little disturbing to see this particular piece of footage, but it is an extraordinary and natural event, or so it seems, of this bird incident just recently out of Mexico.